In this video I will show you how to make a wheel roll on a function curve with MathGraph32. It's better for you to use version 4.9.9 or later. Now, first, with this menu item, option preferences, we choose the level of use, this one. Then, with this icon, we create a new figure with a frame with dots. Now we check the angle unity of the figure. Option current figure, angle unity, we want it to be the radian. Okay. Now we'll define a new function, name f, formal variable x, formula cos applied to x, and we check this checkbox. Okay, now we have the curve of the function. Now with this icon we create a linked point to the x-axis named x. With this icon I will mask the name of the point. With this icon I will create a LaTeX display linked to this point. Okay. First, with this icon I'll measure the x-coordinate of this point. Then create a new calculation named x with formula, the last created value. Okay. Now with this icon we'll create a point with coordinates x, f applied to x. We'll name this point h. I want to draw the tangent to this curve. So now first I create a new calculation, a real calculation, derivative function, f prime, derivative function of f. With this icon I create a new line going through h with slope equals to f prime applied to x. Then with this icon I create a new line perpendicular to this line going through h. Now I'll create a new variable with this menu item. Name of the variable r, mini value 0.1, maxi value 1, step value 0.1, current value 0.5, and I check this checkbox. Now with this icon we'll create a circle with center h, radius r. With the intersection tool we create this intersection. Now with this icon, a circle. With this icon I will mask some objects, this circle, this intersection point, this line, this one. Now I must create a calculation containing an integral. With this icon, calculation name length, formula, predefined functions, integral, first the formula, which will be square root of 1 added to f prime applied to x squared applied to t name of the variable t, lower bound 0, upper bound x. Now we'll use a rotation, this icon, center this point, angle minus length divided by r. Okay, you click on H point. A new rotation with the same center, angle, this one. We click on this point, then on the image point, and so on. Now we create segments. Now we want to fill the circle with a surface blue color. We click on this icon and we click on the circle. Now we'll create a macro, this menu, new macro, linked point animation. Title, animation, number of points 500. Okay, now we click on the linked point X. If we click on this icon, keyboard shortcut F8, click on the macro and the wheel rolls on the curve. You can change the radius of the circle by clicking on these buttons. Click on the figure to stop the animation. Now I want to create a point linked to a segment, this segment. Point locus of this point generated by positions of this one. Number of points 500. We animate. Now I want to create an editor on the figure for the formula of function f. So I click on f, I click here, check this one, background erase, the size, okay, the color can be changed by clicking on this icon. Now I can change the formula of function f directly on the figure. I validate. Now I will show you how to create an object locus. I want to create an object locus of this point locus. I use this menu item, create object locus, generated through linked points. I click on this point locus, then I click on this point, for instance 20, and it's finished. End of this video. Thank you.